This is where they would put their tea and coffee in the morning. Pretty sweet. Good morning! We are here in Istanbul and it is actually our final day here in our little apartment. Before we leave, we really wanted to give you guys a little tour because we just love this place so much.
Yeah, so come on in.
Okay, so we really lucked out with this place because it was a super host, but it was a new listing. So we got a really good price, and it's got 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and it's on the first floor so that we don't have to like deal with any stairs, which is pretty rare here in Europe. So this is the cute little living room that you walk into. And then this was actually an original bed from the Great Pacific Ferry. It's like from the 1800s. It's really cool. See, this is where they would sleep. Well, an additional person would sleep. And then here, this is where they would put their tea and coffee in the morning. Pretty sweet. It's really cool when houses have features like this, and our host was so good to like share the story about it. He was just really excited about it too. She's old. This is one of the bedrooms. This is actually a beautiful bedroom. It's got like a really cute street view here. It's kind of a shame that we didn't really use this room. We put Finn in here. So this was Finn's room for a week, which is pretty good for a baby. So this is our little kitchen here. A washer that also dries. So that is a huge win for me. Bigger bathroom here. This was Winston's room. This is the second bedroom. It's got all these like nice little old-timey touches, like this little wooden desk. It's just all so cute. And then this is the master bedroom, which is beautiful. Master is the balcony. It's actually not technically a balcony, I don't think. It's kind of more like a sunroom. But all these windows open up. So this is actually serving as our dining table. So we eat all of our meals here. And it's got an awesome view. You can actually see the water down there. Sitting area for reading and playing. So Winston actually had all of his toys out here, and this is kind of where the boys played when it wasn't too chilly. Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, we just loved it here. We don't want to leave at all. It's got so much space, it's got so much character, everything that we would want in an apartment in Europe. So, but we're moving to a different one today, so we'll see how that one compares. If anyone's interested in checking this place out, we will link it in this video, so then you can see for yourself.
What do you think? Did you like this place?